5-6 Modern Times. This video is about the post-World War II. Essential question for 5-6.1 is, how did the collapse of the Soviet Union impact the US and the rest of the world? And collapse just means the fall. So how did the fall of the Soviet Union, which means that they are no longer a union, impact or change the US and the rest of the world? Objectives. By the end of this video, you should be able to explain how the United States' role in the world affairs changed, describe the Marshall Plan. Post-World War II. In the years following World War II, the Cold War between the United States and the Soviet Union required that the United States take an increasingly more active role in world affairs in order to contain communism. So this is the reason why we became more involved in world affairs. In order to carry out this policy of containment, the United States assisted in the rebuilding of Europe through the Marshall Plan, which means the Marshall Plan was a plan to rebuild Europe after World War II. There was lots of countries that was devastated by Germany's occupation and its defense through North American Treaty Organization, NATO. And there's a typo in your IAT. This North American Treaty should be North Atlantic Treaty instead of American. The United States provided military protection, which means army, etc., to those countries who needed it, and supported the economic development of its World War II enemies, Germany and Japan, in order to contain the USSR. Again, this goes back to NATO and having as many people on their side as possible in case the USSR decided to bomb the United States. Now they have countries that will back them up. Recap of post-World War II. The United States became more involved in world affairs after World War II.